Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can craft, compose and send an email on Canary Mail in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So launch Canary Mail on your device, and what you want to do guys is click into this compose button here at the top to open up a window like this here with the new message. Now guys, there are two ways how you can craft messages or emails here on Canary Mail. You can craft these yourselves, handwritten here, or you can ask the artificial intelligence to craft one for you based on your input prompt. So let me show you both options. So start by entering the recipient's email address here. Next, click into the subject. And what you want to do after that is enter your text here where it says message. So example text for instance. So you may highlight the text and customize it or format it by selecting a font from that drop-down menu, adjust the font size, apply bold letters, underline, italic, change the font color, and go with a centered left or right alignment, use bulleted lists, and so on and so forth. And once you're ready, guys, you may, for instance, attach a document or simply click into that button in the bottom right to send the message to the recipient. So that's the traditional way how you write these emails. But as previously mentioned, guys, there's also option number 2, and that would be using Copilot, Microsoft's AI tool. So you may access it here in the bottom left of that new message window and select enter prompt. And after that, simply enter your prompt here. Your prompt needs to have at least 20 characters. So let me go with a prompt like this. So let me just correct that typo, uppercase. So let me, there's actually lowercase. And let me click into Go to give Copilot the command to craft an email for me based on that prompt. And there you go. Here you will see the email text below, and you can, for instance, fill in your name here if you like. And yeah, that's it. You can edit that prompt or insert it to your email. And that's it. Now you can send it to your recipient. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. As you can see, the subject has been adjusted accordingly. And I'll see you next time.